A good humidifier can feel like a secret weapon, restoring comfort, soothing coughs, and even protecting your favorite books from curling at the edges. But as you scroll through endless options online, you're faced with a puzzling choice: evaporative or ultrasonic. Which one is right for your home, your health, and your peace of mind? Let's unravel the mysteries behind these two humidifying heavyweights and help you breathe easier, literally and figuratively, as you make your choice. How they work. Evaporative humidifiers operate on a simple, natural principle. Inside the device, a wick filter absorbs water from the reservoir. A fan then blows air through this wet filter, causing water to evaporate and disperse as invisible vapor into the room. This process mimics how a wet towel dries when left in a breezy room. The beauty of this system lies in its self-regulating nature. As humidity levels rise, evaporation slows, preventing over-humidification. Ultrasonic humidifiers, on the other hand, harness modern technology. A vibrating ceramic plate oscillates at ultrasonic frequencies, breaking water into microscopic droplets that are released into the air as a fine mist. This mist is visible and cool to the touch, instantly increasing humidity levels. Ultrasonic humidifiers are celebrated for their innovative design and ability to operate quietly, making them a favorite for bedrooms and offices. Noise level. Noise can be a deciding factor, especially for light sleepers or those seeking a peaceful workspace. Evaporative humidifiers, due to their internal fans, produce a gentle hum or white noise. For some, this sound is soothing. For others, it's a potential disturbance, especially at night. Ultrasonic humidifiers are renowned for their near-silent operation. The absence of a fan means they emit only the faintest of sounds, often described as a soft, barely perceptible hum. This makes them ideal for nurseries, bedrooms, and any environment where tranquility is prized. Maintenance. Maintenance is a crucial consideration for any home appliance. Evaporative humidifiers require regular attention to their wick filters. These filters trap minerals and impurities, preventing them from entering the air, but they also need to be replaced every 1 to 3 months depending on usage and water hardness. Neglecting filter changes can lead to mold growth and reduced efficiency. Ultrasonic humidifiers, while filter-free, demand frequent cleaning of their water tanks and internal components. Because they disperse all water contents, including minerals and potential bacteria, into the air, any buildup or contamination in the tank can quickly become airborne. Regular rinsing and occasional descaling are necessary to maintain optimal performance and hygiene. In hard water areas, mineral deposits can accumulate, requiring extra diligence. Air quality. Air quality is at the heart of the humidifier debate. Evaporative models excel in this area because their wick filters act as barriers, capturing minerals and impurities before moisture is released. This results in cleaner, safer humidity with minimal risk of dispersing unwanted particles. Ultrasonic humidifiers, by contrast, release everything in the water into the air. If tap water is used, minerals can be atomized and settle as a fine white dust on furniture and surfaces. More concerning is the potential for bacteria or mold in the tank to become airborne. To mitigate these risks, some users opt for distilled water or add demineralization cartridges, but this adds to the overall cost and effort. Energy efficiency. Energy consumption is another factor to weigh. Evaporative humidifiers rely on fans, which draw more electricity compared to their ultrasonic counterparts. While not energy hogs by any means, their continuous operation can be reflected in your utility bill over time. Ultrasonic humidifiers are generally more energy efficient. The ultrasonic vibration mechanism consumes less power, making these devices an eco-friendlier option for those who run their humidifier around the clock. This efficiency, combined with their quiet operation, is a significant selling point for many users. Cost. The cost of ownership extends beyond the initial purchase price. Evaporative humidifiers are often less expensive upfront, making them an attractive option for budget-conscious shoppers. However, the need for regular filter replacements can add up over time, especially in hard water regions where filters may need more frequent changing. Ultrasonic humidifiers tend to have a slightly higher initial price tag, but they don't require replacement filters. Instead, users may choose to purchase distilled water or demineralization cartridges to prevent white dust and mineral buildup. While these costs are generally lower than filter replacements, they should still be factored into the long-term budget. Room size and effectiveness. The size of the space you wish to humidify plays a vital role in your choice. Evaporative humidifiers are well suited for medium to large rooms. Their fan-driven design ensures even distribution of moisture, but their effectiveness can wane in very large or open spaces unless equipped with a powerful fan. Ultrasonic humidifiers excel in quickly raising humidity levels, even in larger rooms. The fine mist they produce disperses rapidly, making them effective for both small and spacious environments. However, in very large areas, multiple units or a larger capacity model may be necessary to achieve the desired humidity. Suitability for hard water. Water quality is often overlooked, but can significantly impact your humidifier experience. Evaporative humidifiers are particularly advantageous in hard water areas. Their wick filters trap most minerals, preventing them from being released as white dust and protecting the device from scale buildup. Ultrasonic humidifiers are less forgiving with hard water. Without a filter, all minerals present in the water are atomized and expelled into the air, leading to the notorious white dust problem. This not only creates extra cleaning, but can also affect electronics and respiratory health. Using distilled water or adding a demineralization cartridge can alleviate these issues, but adds to the overall maintenance. So, which one should you choose? Choosing between an evaporative and ultrasonic humidifier ultimately comes down to your specific needs and preferences. If you value cleaner air output, are concerned about white dust, or live in an area with hard water, an evaporative humidifier may be your best bet. The trade-off is the need for regular filter replacements and a bit more noise. If you prioritize quiet operation, energy efficiency, and minimal ongoing maintenance, an ultrasonic humidifier could be the ideal solution, especially if you're willing to use distilled water or invest in a demineralization cartridge. Their sleek design and rapid humidification make them a modern favorite, particularly for bedrooms and offices. Both types have their unique strengths and challenges. By considering factors like maintenance, air quality, energy use, cost, room size, and water quality, you can confidently select the humidifier that best enhances your home's comfort and health.